In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text on Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing a flyer, or drafting up some social media posts, knowing how to use the strike through feature can take your design skills to the next level. It's perfect for both highlighting changes and providing a visually engaging contrast within your text. Let's dive right into it. First, open Canva and select the project you'd like to work on. This might be a new design or an existing project. Once your project is open, look for the text box that you want to modify. Simply click on the text to select it. You'll notice that when you click on the text, a toolbar appears above or near the text area, offering various editing options. It's important to ensure that the text is properly selected, otherwise the next steps won't affect the desired portion of your design. Now, with your text highlighted, direct your attention to the editing toolbar. Here, you're looking for the strike through icon. The icon typically looks like a letter or word with a horizontal line through its middle. Depending on your version of Canva or any updates, the symbol might be more descriptive with the word strike through next to or underneath it. If you do not see this icon immediately, it may be hidden under a more options menu, often represented by 3 dots or lines. Clicking these will expand the toolbar, giving you access to the full range of text effects and modifications. Once you've found the strike through icon, click on it. This will automatically apply a line through your selected text, visually indicating the strike through effect. It's really that simple. You now have strike through text on your design. Remember, if you wish to reverse this effect, simply click the strike through icon again or use undo commands. Furthermore, utilizing the strike through can be a stylistic choice as much as a practical one, offering an edgy editorial feel to your otherwise standard text. To add a bit more detail to your designs, consider pairing the strike through with other text effects, such as bold, italics, or a change in font color to create layers and depth in your visuals. Mix and match these options to discover your creative preferences and enhance your design flair. As you continue to work within Canva, explore and familiarize yourself with all the available text tools. Each feature serves to offer you flexibility and control over how you communicate visually. By now, you should be capable of applying the strike-through effect to any text in Canva with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more empowered to create striking designs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!